Hi guys, it's Miss Long. Today is day one of our Wacky Wednesday science experiment. So this experiment involves vinegar, it involves a glass jar or a container of some sort, and it involves one egg. The egg is not cooked. I pulled it right out of the carton in my fridge and I put it in this jar. And then I filled the jar with vinegar because we're gonna see what happens with egg and vinegar in a jar. This experiment takes a whole week. So next Wednesday, we'll see what has happened and we'll look at the egg and see if it's changed. On the Zoom today, I put the vinegar in the jar and the egg in the jar in front of our friends. Look, the egg's moving on its own. And some of our friends thought maybe the egg would disappear. A friend thought the egg would hatch. And then Mr. Williams, he had an idea that the egg would get bubbles on it. And if you look really close, the egg does have bubbles on it. So he was right already. I wonder if the egg will get smaller, if the egg will break and it will become scrambled eggs, if it will cook itself in the jar, if the egg will soak up all of the vinegar and it'll get really big and it'll fill the whole jar with egg. What do you think will happen? Tomorrow I will show you a video. I have to take the vinegar out and put fresh vinegar in the jar with the egg. I'll show you what happens to the egg, if it looks different or if it looks the same. And then we're going to wait 6 days after that and we'll see what it looks like next Wednesday. On the Zoom next Wednesday is when Miss Long will show you what it looks like and we'll see if anything's changed, if it cracked, if it hatched, if it disappeared, got bigger, got smaller, cooked itself. So I'll keep you posted. And this is day one. Hey guys, it's day 2. I have not changed the water yet. I just woke up and I saw what it looked like. The egg is definitely really bubbly, don't you think? And there's a lot of bubbles around the edge. The egg's kind of floating more. I don't know, maybe I'll try to fill it up higher with the vinegar. That way maybe the egg is all the way covered. But it's Thursday, it's day 2. I'm going to change the water out and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I figured I could at least show you when I pour it in. I did dump it out, but it was hard to try to record that. So here's me pouring it in. I'm going to try to pour in more. So I'm just pouring the vinegar right in. Going to fill it up pretty full today. Yeah, because see now the egg's at the bottom. I don't know. It looks like it's going to start moving and it might float up. I will show you what it looks like tomorrow. It'll probably just be a picture of what it looks like. But today's day 2 and stay tuned. I wonder if it's going to disappear now. I wonder if it's going to float. I wonder if it's going to get bigger, if it's going to hatch. What are you thinking? Are you still thinking the same thing or did you change your idea? Hi guys, I just took the egg out of the water. So the egg does not look the same. It has a yellow color. Eggs are normally what color? White, yeah. And the egg got bigger because it soaked up some of that vinegar. The vinegar took the shell off of the egg. It has acid in it and it dissolved the shell. So now the egg is squishy, bigger, yellow, and it bounces. It's pretty squishy and it feels like rubber almost. You can try this at home with egg, vinegar, and a jar.